Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about how to make your desktop scene so clean and awesome. So before getting into the content, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. So as the first step, you should enable links in your taskbar. So to do that, right click on the taskbar and go to toolbars and enable links. So make sure that you have unlocked the taskbar. So after that, drag links right like this until it disappears on the other side. So go like here to the middle, and if you want to disappear the links, let us here, and after that you can disable show title and show text like this, and after that you can lock the taskbar. So after the next step, you should go to search icon and search an app you want to add on the taskbar. So after that you should click open file location and click on the app. Adobe Premiere Pro 2021 is my app. After that uh, right click on it and choose send to, and after that choose desktop or create shortcut like this. So next you should do it to all other apps you need to put on your desktop. So after adding the app you need, you should open icons 8 Pigeon software. So if you like to download this, I have put the link in the description below. So after that you should choose Windows 10, and as the next step you should create a folder in your desktop. So I'm gonna name it icons, and as the next step you should choose any icon you want from the Windows 10 in the icon 8 Pigeon software. So now I'm going to do this. So choose icons for all the software you need, all the softwares you need. I'm done. So after that you just need to add this into a taskbar. So to do that, go on your app and right click on it and go to properties and go to change icon and go to browse. So after that you can choose any icon you want. So I chose this and click apply and click OK. So next you should right click on the new icon and go to click pin to taskbar. So do this to all your applications. So as the next step you should make your taskbar transparent. So to do that you should download an application called translucent taskbar or TB. So you can get it from the Microsoft store, and also I have put the link in the description, so check it out. And after that after download and installing it, you should click on it and go to regular and choose clear. Okay, and after that, boom. So now you can see your desktop is so clean. So as the next step you should go to view and hide the desktop icon. So now see, it's an incredible and perfect, nice, clean desktop. So if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and put a comment in the comment box down below. Thank you. Peace.